Hello everyone and welcome to another travel video. On today's episode, we will take you to Halkidiki Greece. Join us as we will discover some of its charming beaches and you'll get to know some important travel details on how we explore Halkidiki in 3 days. It takes about 2 hours to fly from Stuttgart, Germany, which is our hometown, to Thessaloniki, Greece. It's the nearest international airport to Halkidiki. The most efficient way to explore the place is to get a rental car. We got a rental car from Centauro Company and we paid 105 euros. Full insurance is already included for 4 days. We booked a smaller car though, but there was no available one when we arrived, so we got a bigger one without additional fee. Halkidiki is divided into 3 peninsulas or referred to as the 3 fingers, named Cassandra, Sithonia, and Athos. But on this trip, we decided to stay on the middle peninsula of Sithonia. So from the airport, we drove 92 kilometers to a beach town of Nikiti. It is also where we booked our accommodation. We drove straight to Nikiti beachfront. We arrived around 11, just in time for some brunch. Such a nice place to chill and relax. Since we had an early flight, we still had plenty of time to check the place out before our check-in time. And right then, we decided spontaneously to drive to the east side of the peninsula. And that's where we were able to discover a very beautiful long stretch beach of Trani Ammouda Beach. Did you greet your friends? Huh? It is really amazing to see an empty, beautiful beach like this. The water looks so appealing that we really wanted to go swimming right there and then. But unfortunately, the wind was kinda chilly that time. You can't see it on the video, but the wind wasn't so gentle. But of course, we bookmarked this beach for the next day. And then we decided to drive to the other side where we think the wind is gentler. Driving from east to west side, we ended up at a beach called Koviou Beach. It's only 10 km away or just 11-minute drive from Trani Ammouda Beach. True enough, the wind was calmer here and we were able to enjoy the water. It's less wavy and windy compared to the other beach or the first beach that we went to today. Is it cold? But it's so clear, so blue.
Fresh.
We enjoyed the water and the swimming experience here. It's already end of October, so it's really expected that the water temperature is already colder. But for me, it was still tolerable. And we walked a bit to the other side and found a very perfect viewpoint. We immediately fell in love with the place. I mean, look at that, guys. Oh, so blue. It's like Corfu level. There's a sofa there, Honeg. Yeah. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Chill spot here. Where's the cocktail? Where's the beer? So beautiful here. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. Ah, Honeg, make photo for me here, please. Wait, I'm gonna check it out here. Oh my god, guys. Ah, it's so beautiful here. Nobody was there. It was just for us. So yeah, we really enjoyed it there. Now we're gonna go to our hotel. Then we will also go to a supermarket to buy some supplies for the next few days that we're gonna be staying here. Our accommodation is you have arrived. This one. So this is our apartment type accommodation, royalty suites. We just loved our apartment type accommodation here with fully functioning kitchen, and it can even accommodate up to 4 people. We booked it from booking.com and paid 134 euros for 3 nights. Our accommodation has a beach access too. If you want to go for a quick swimming, there's a beach outside just only steps away. It is also a perfect spot because it's only a walking distance to the main spot of Nikiti, where all the cool restaurants, cafes, and bars are located. We're going out now. It's already 6:30 in the evening.
Sunset.
It's sunset time, but it's cloudy. Let's see if we're gonna get hungry, so we're gonna grab something to eat. But for now, we're just gonna walk around here. Slowly getting hungry now, so we're looking for a good restaurant. So many. Oh,
Sorry.
libang Oda. Oh, what a friendly dog. Lots of stray dogs and cats here. On the second day, we decided to check out Spathies Beach. It is one of the best beaches recommended by Google. We weren't sure if there's enough parking space near Spathies, so we decided to just park near Kalogria Beach. While on our way there, we actually didn't expect to walk that much. We even thought to just go back and take the car with us. But still, we didn't do so as we realized that the road is kinda narrow and unpaved, and we have a huge car with us. It is also really beautiful to see some random little beaches along the way, so we thought it was worth the hike still. That's a nice cove. It gives me Mallorca vibe. Here's another cove. Still giving me Mallorca vibe. Beautiful. There are so many nice beaches to choose from here. What are these little flags here with numbers? It's perfect to go swimming now because the sun is finally out. We're feeling so warm, so we'll go there because I want to see the whole beach and its real color. It's also really warm now. Check this out, guys. Beautiful cove. Are we gonna stay here for a few minutes on it? So beautiful.
Like it.
That was so nice. We'll go back to the car now, and then let's see if we can still find a beautiful beach nearby. This is the beach that we passed through earlier. You can appreciate now the color because the sun is completely out and it's already blue sky. Just 10-minute drive from Kalogria Beach comes another spot called Lagonisi Beach. According to Google, there's a nice beach at the back of that little island, but you cannot see it now because it's high tide. But it's really beautiful here, guys. Lots of nice spots. I also love those spots at the back. It's shaded and it's like a little coves. No?
No.
So Philip wants to go to the supermarket ASAP because he's craving, we are craving for some sausages. We saw some campers, they were frying some sausages and oh, it was smelling so good. Now we are craving for it. So we ended up here at Olympus Grill by the port. We're supposed to buy sausage.
Everything is closed.
Yeah, we forgot it's Sunday and all the supermarkets are closed. Maybe tomorrow.
Wow, so kalt.
I got chicken thigh for 9 euros and 50 cents. Pita bread. Pork gyros for how much?
9.80.
Kalimera, guys. It's day 3 here in Halkidiki, and as usual we are about to grab some coffee, and then I don't know, we don't really have a concrete plan today, but to just go have a lazy day at the beach, making the most of the last summer days here in Greece. After having a lovely breakfast, we drove to the most famous beach in the area of Vourvourou, named Karydi Beach. We drove for 20 minutes from Nikiti. We arrived here before noontime, so the beach was still so empty and we really enjoyed the view. Because the view of Karydi Beach reminds me of Sardinia. Those white fine sand, natural rock formations, mesmerizing turquoise calm water makes it perfect for families with small kids. This beach is definitely one of our favorite beaches in Sithonia. Dry los. On. And maybe you think that Karydi Beach is the only beautiful beach we discovered today. Wait, there's another one. It's so beautiful! For just 24-minute drive from Karydi, you'll reach this paradise-like beach of Portokali. So there are two beaches. This is Cabo something, and then on that side it's Portokali. Ah, so beautiful. And as always, it's off season, less crowd. There are so many bees here, you gotta be careful. Portokali Beach is one of the most charming exotic beaches we've seen here in Sithonia. However, the beach is hidden that you can't see it from the main road, but there are signs that will point you to the beach. Speechless, guys. Every angle is picture perfect. It's so beautiful here.
Beach cat.
Another beach cat found. Fluffy. Oh my god, that's so fluffy. The cat is still following us.
No cats.
My god, he doesn't want us to leave. Look at this. Let's go now.
Yeah.
Going towards the main beach of Portokali. On the other side, more rock formations here. Let's check it out here on this side. Oh wow. I think there's another beach here. Can actually spot that Mount Athos, if I'm not mistaken, from here. Hang around here. Yeah. Here na lang. I'm gonna stay here for a while. We're just gonna enjoy the water and the view. We're back here at our hotel and we were able to go to the supermarket. We bought some sausages and Philip is frying right now. That would be our dinner here. Smells so good.